Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm popping up for just 1 minute to show you the items I'm going to work with in my next video, but first I have to paint them, so I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I have my items painted and I'm going to put everything together for you to see. This video is part of the monthly Useful DIY challenge hosted by Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, and her co-host this month is Glam Queen of DIY. Okay, I painted this white with Rust-Oleum flat white paint. I'm going to use one of these Wreath from Dollar Tree. I've added some buffalo check ribbon all around, and this is the ribbon from Michaels, and I'm going to place this inside the basket. I'm not gluing it because it fits perfectly. Then you remember I had this originally were soap dispenser, and I had two. I show you one, but in fact I had two. I'm going to add two. And this is the original color after spray painting it, but I wanted to give it a kind of galvanized and rusted look. So what I did, I'm using this paint, this acrylic paint that is from the dumpster. My daughter and I are dumpster divers, and our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It's going to be linked in the description box, as well as the link of the hostess to the channels of the hostesses and the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. So now what I'm going to do is to just add some of this silver paint with my finger this way. It's really easy. Now I'm going to spread it a little bit. And now for the rusted look, you know, which is my favorite rusting. Even I use it even to stain wood. This is something that I really love. Is the liquid shoe polish, the brown one. Oh, sorry. Let me check that it's working. Yes. So you take the part that you just painted with silver and give it some touches of the liquid shoe polish. I did it all around the border, as you can see here, and also at the bottom. Oh, sorry, I was looking at my fingers that are stained. Okay, forget about that. So you can see that the look is really beautiful. I love it. So you can add more, less, whatever you like. And here is the other one that is already finished. And now I'm going to glue them to the bottom of this kind of basket. And then we put the lids on again. Like so. So this doesn't dry and doesn't spill if I by chance knock it. I'm going to add these soap dispensers, former soap dispensers, with some hot glue. Again, as I always say, if I need it later, I may add some E6000, but I think it's going to work with just the hot glue, hopefully. Let me add some here and some here, so it's good to the wreath also. And I'm being, as usual, very generous with the hot glue to make sure I have enough for it to be kept in place. So here we go. Let's add some glue where the wreath touches the soap dispensers. And here we have them. I think it's okay. And what is this for? Well, this needs to dry a little bit more, and it needs more hot glue here. So let's add more. Better safe than sorry. I'm using it in my kitchen to have the forks and the knife at hand when I have people for dinner, so they don't have to look in the drawer or something like that. So I'm going to add this sign. It's part of a set of 2 that come with a clothespin. I hope you can see it. I don't want to remove it from the box, from the bag, sorry. I removed it. I cut this tip because it was showing, and with a white marker I wrote mealtime. I don't really like my handwriting, but okay, maybe someday I will make something different. So this is also from the dumpster, and I'm going to add the sign to the top of this basket. Let me see how it looks better. Okay. I think something is going on. It's not staying. Yes, now it's staying flat. And I'm going to add this tiny cute bow to the top of the wreath to complete the farmhouse look that I'm going for. And now we are almost done. As you can see, this is really easy, and it's really useful. I painted the easel in white. It's from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it for my utensils holder. And I have just the last step, sorry for the noise, is to add the forks on one side the knives on one side and the forks in the other side. And we have our utensils ready, so when people, especially if you have a table and it's kind of a buffet, you can place this there, and people have the plates, the napkins, the cups, and the utensils. And I think it's something original, maybe. And I really like it, and I put this to good use. I have this around, and never knew what, because I used the lids, and I never could use the base, this part of the soap dispenser for anything else, till I thought of this, and I think it's very useful. So this is it for this video. Hope you like this idea. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please visit the hostesses' channels, the videos in the playlist, and our dumpster diving channel, which will make us very happy. Thank you so much to the host and the co-host for hosting this challenge. As usual, thank you so much to all of you for watching my video. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.